ready to turn your furry friend into a digital masterpiece. First, open Adobe Illustrator and place your pet's photo on the artboard. Let's start by selecting the pen tool from the toolbar. Carefully zoom in on the image. The goal is to trace the general outline of your pet. Click along the edge of the fur, the ears, and the body. To create smooth curves, click and drag when placing points, adjusting the handles to match the curves of your pet's features. Try to focus on the shape. You can revisit smaller details later. Go around edges to give your pet a full outline. Once you've traced the entire outline of the pet, close the path by clicking on the starting point. Then, go ahead and fill the shape with a base color, maybe something inspired by the color of your pet's fur. Now for the details, zoom in more again, then you can add details by selecting and using the pen tool again. For example, create the shape of your pet's eye. Then, you can trace the iris and pupil separately and fill them with relevant colors. Take time to adjust the size and fill for the details. Don't forget to go around details like fur and eyelashes to have the best results. Keep this in mind for your next pet portrait. Now you can have your own unique, beautiful artwork.